Do you find yourself spending hours trying to research information online? Whether it's comparing products, planning a trip, or even looking for career advice? Well, I often do, and I'm here today to show you how we can use ChatGPT to make this process far easier. So let's get straight into it. So firstly, I'm looking at buying a new phone. All we need to do, rather than jumping around on 50 different web pages reading reviews, we can just get a straight up comparison here. Compare the features and pricing of iPhone 14 versus Samsung Galaxy S23. Now, Chat knows far more than I do about all these things. And here it's going to give us the breakdowns, performance, the cameras, battery and charging, very important for me because I am so sick of my current phone. It's a few years old now and it's constantly dying. Other main features, pricing, very competitive price-wise. Okay, so as you can see there, that has saved us having to go back and forth. We can easily see the comparison here, and it even gives us a nice little summary about the iPhone 14 excels with seamless integration in the Apple ecosystem. I won't give my personal opinion on things. Powerful A15 Bionic chip and features like Face ID and satellite SOS. Samsung S23 offers superior camera with 50 megapixel main sensor, 8K video, and additional features like DeX and more flexible Android customization. So there you have it. A great product breakdown, research done and dusted. Just from that alone, I would be choosing the Galaxy. Okay, I was going to just continue on below that screen, but it started to do something strange. So, new window, new topic. So we're going on a holiday. What are the top 5 things to do in Paris for first-time visitors? Now, this would be something that I could spend hours on researching as well, but Chat will sum it up for us quite easily, and pretty much, if it's in these 5, you know they're definitely worth seeing. So the Eiffel Tower, Louvre, Notre Dame, Montmartre, I've never even heard of that. It's a charming artistic neighborhood full of cobblestone streets and cafes. At its peak is the offering some of the best views of Paris. Okay, well, I'm sure it's nice. I can't even pronounce half that. Champs-Élysées and Arc de Trampoline. Stroll along the famous... Well, there we go. So you can see, rather than reading website after website after website, also websites are so full of so much fluff and filler. Here you've got a nice easy description, where you should go. Now let's, if we've got children, what about 5 places we can go with children? Let's see what that does. I'm not even going to bother trying to read out these names, but you can see Zoo, Disneyland, I know what that is, Luxembourg Gardens. So there you go, your research is going to take you all of 30 minutes max, and you will have yourself a great little list of places to go. And you could even say, I am in Paris for 3 days. Create an itinerary. That's definitely incorrect spelling, but hey. Day 1. Look at this. Morning, late afternoon, lunch. Or late morning, lunch, afternoon, historic and culture. So you can see here, ChatGPT is fantastic for doing the research. Now, we'll just go new screen. We've come back from our Paris holiday and we're looking for some jobs. What are the top tech jobs in 2024 and what skills are needed? More research, that is very important. And ChatGPT will make this, it's actually browsing, so we're going to get up-to-date information, which is fantastic. Now, I'm not in the tech world, so AI, cloud engineer, cybersecurity. Well, there you go. You could then say you're interested in cybersecurity. Click on that. Tell me more. So again, as you can see, it's adding references to where it's getting the information from. And just like that, you have got yourself a great understanding on becoming a cybersecurity analyst. Nice and easy, no time at all, research that literally saves hours. Another one. So this is a bit more in depth, but create a 4-week workout plan. If you think about it, if you were to create a workout plan yourself, a 4-week one, how long do you reckon that'll take you to research everything? Find out what workouts you want to incorporate, how to do it, what to do. This, I was going to say overview, okay. Whereas this will have us up and running in no time at all. Day 1. 3 sets, 3 sets, 3 sets. Jeez, that's a solid workout. Lunges, deadlift, squats and deadlifts, same light, okay. Well, there you have it. How good is that? Okay, so this is working off first week and just increasing, which is correct. Keep building that muscle up, increase rates by 5 to 10, form sets. So there you have it. An unreal workout plan that would definitely have taken more than 30 seconds to research, all done and dusted. Now, something a little bit different. How can I save $10,000 in 1 year with a monthly budget of $3,000? Let's research. Saving $10,000 in 1 year with a monthly budget of $3,000 will require disciplined budgeting and smart spending habits. You'll need to save $833 per month. Good luck. But, hey, with this research, you're going to see how we're going to go about it. So $833, aim for 30% of your income, budget $200, food. Food's a big one. Stop eating out, start cooking at home. That saves a ton of money. Increase income. Yeah, so that's a very hard one to be doing. But I just wanted to see what chat would come up with. But I mean, obviously you'd play around with that and you wouldn't be saving $10,000 a year. $3,000 is your budget, but there you have it. Research done and dusted. I think I'll leave the video there. I just wanted to show you a few different examples of how you can use ChatGPT for researching. It is very easy to do and can be quite fun because you can just keep going back and forth. I make $5,000 per month. How much easier would this be? So $5,000 a month now, and all of a sudden we're going to have a far easier time saving. Alright, have a good one guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe please, and we'll catch you in the next one.